Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to create landing pages in AWeber. It's actually really easy to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you log into your AWeber account, go to the Pages and Forms section on the left-hand menu. From there, click on Create a Landing Page to open the builder. Now, you can either choose a pre-designed template or start completely from scratch. AWeber offers templates for different purposes like lead generation, sales, or newsletter signups. But if you prefer full control, starting with a blank page gives you total freedom to design it your way. After you've selected your template, you'll enter the drag and drop editor. This is where the fun part begins. You can add text, images, buttons, and forms, and easily move things around to create the perfect layout. Customize everything to match your branding, change colors, fonts, and background images until it feels just right. Once you're done designing, click Save and Exit at the bottom corner to save your changes. To publish your page, go back to the Pages and Forms section. Click on the three dots next to your landing page and select Publish. AWeber will generate a unique URL for your page, which you can share on your website, social media, or through your email campaigns. And that's it! You've successfully created a landing page using AWeber. It's quick, simple, and perfect for growing your email list or promoting your offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with AWeber landing pages easily.